Does your Windows PC feel a bit sluggish or slow to respond? Even on modern systems, those fancy visual effects are constantly eating up your GPU and RAM in the background. Today, I'm going to show you how to disable them to make your computer feel instant and snappy. First, go to your Start menu and click on Settings. On the left-hand sidebar, find the Accessibility tab and click on it. Then, on the right side, select Visual Effects. This is where the magic happens. You will see toggles for transparency and animation effects. Here is why this matters. Transparency effects create that frosted glass look, but to do that, your graphics card has to constantly calculate what is behind every single window in real time. It looks nice, but it wastes resources. Let's turn these off. Go ahead and disable animation effects. This stops windows from sliding and fading, removing that perceived delay when you open apps. Next, toggle off transparency effects. You will notice your window backgrounds instantly become solid, which is much easier for your computer to render. Now, give it a try. Open your Start menu or a few apps. See that? Instead of waiting for an animation to finish, everything just pops onto the screen instantly. Finally, head to your desktop, right-click, and hit Refresh just to make sure the system registers all the changes smoothly. Your PC should now feel brand new and lightning fast. If this helped you out, drop a like and subscribe for more tech tips.